If you love golf, you love hiking, and want to be in the heart of nature, yet still have easy access to all amenities, I've got the perfect property for you. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of a $1.25 million townhome at the base of Burnaby Mountain here in North Burnaby. And make sure you stick around to the very end because I'm going to show you my favorite hiking trail spots here, whether you've got the dog, whether you're doing trail running, or whether you're like me and you just want to find every excuse to be in nature. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about real estate in Vancouver, subscribe below. Tap the bell for notifications to be the first to learn what's going on in the current market here in Vancouver. My name is Megan Becker, local realtor, eXp Realty. Myself and my team get calls every day from people looking to make this incredible city and this backyard their home. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, text, or email, and I'm excited to take you on a tour of the greatest city in Canada. We're in the middle of the forest in North Burnaby, on the slopes of Burnaby Mountain, with its golf course, all the hiking and biking trails, Simon Fraser University, and everything Burnaby Mountain has to offer, plus easy access to all amenities. Welcome to the Forest Hills neighborhood. This family-oriented complex is within walking distance to transit and schools. One of the things I love about this listing and North Burnaby is that this is steps outside your door. So if you love, like me, being in the heart of the trails in nature, being able to take the dog or yourself for a walk, this is truly one of the things that I've fallen in love with this area here. I'm at 8151 Forest Grove Drive here in North Burnaby. Let's go take a tour of this gorgeous townhome. Let's step inside this stunning, fully renovated 5-bed, 4-bath, 2,244 square foot townhome. Entertain in the open concept main level. Relax by the beautiful quartz fireplace. Embrace your inner chef in the gorgeous kitchen with the high-end cabinetry, quartz counters and backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage. This home features built-in Bluetooth speakers, high-end lighting, and all-new windows. Step outside to your quiet, serene patio and feel like you're in the heart of nature. The upper level features 3 bedrooms, including a large primary with ensuite. Downstairs features rec space, 2 bedrooms, large laundry, and a sliding door to your quiet backyard space, perfect for family activities. Okay, we are going to jump on the computer on All Trails now, and I'm going to share with you one of my favorite points about this property here. I'm going to go through 5 trails. 4 of them you can access right out your front door. One of them is a little bit of a drive, but I think it might be really appealing, and it's a really quick drive. So this is Burnaby here, and we're very zoomed out, but this is where our property is. So as you can see, I've pinned all of these trails here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 that goes around Lake Burnaby there. So I'm going to quickly highlight each one of these for you. First one we're going to take a look at is Burnaby Mountain Park Loop, which is this one right here. It's about 11 kilometers, and we'll zoom in a little bit. As you can see, you don't even need a car. Our property is right over here. So you can head down if you wanted to go on the main road here, go up a side road, and then duck into the trails here. And then you are at the trailhead. So this is a really cool one. It offers probably the best views out of all of these trails here. You're going to get some north of the water and the North Shore Mountains there. It's about 11-kilometer loop. You can trail run. There's a little bit of single track, and it takes you through the forest. You go up around Burnaby Mountain there. You can take the dog. You can go for a hike. You can do a trail run, just depending. Will kind of vary on the time that it takes you. The trail's open all year round. You'll see lots of people taking their dogs. Dogs definitely have to be on leash on all of these trails. trails, but it's really nice. And as you can see, here's some of the photos. So up top left-hand corner, you get views of the water there. And this is a nice one. A lot of these are nice because if it's on a rainy day, you're going to get some of the tree coverage. You're going to get some of the steps. If you want to go counterclockwise or clockwise will really depend on how hard of a workout that you want. So if you take this trail and you go clockwise, it'll be a nice steady incline with a good amount of decline there. But if you want a little bit more of a workout, you can head up and go counterclockwise, and you're gonna get a big workout right about here. The next trail is Burnaby Mountain East Side, and this is a really nice one. It's a 5-kilometer loop. It's not super challenging. You do, as you can see here, you do get some incline, and it's really nice if you wanted something shorter. You can take the dog out, or if you wanted just a quick, easy run, but still in the middle of the forest. Lots of this is single track, and you can take mountain bikes on this one. There's a lot of trails through here that you can, if you were into mountain biking, if you're training for anything, really handy to have here. And then again, very similar area. You can take your mountain bike this time, head over from your property over to the trail here, jump on. And this is specifically a mountain bike trail. There's going to be a lot of single track. I mean, you definitely can hike, you can walk, or you can trail run on here. There's lots of single track. It is quite challenging. It is something, especially on a lot of these, because they are single, lots of them are single tracks. Some of the areas do open up, but it's something that if you are listening to music, maybe have one earbud in, because the last thing you want is to kind of be out in your own little world and have a mountain biker just come rush up on you if you're trail running and you've got 2 earbuds in. So I'd always recommend that. As you can see here, there's a good amount of elevation if you're training for anything or just want a really good workout right out your front door. And then this one, Pipeline and Sidewinder Loop. I like this one. It goes over some of, the water. It's really pretty and it's a fairly moderate route. Another 5K that is really nice. Again, if you want to take the dog out or if you want to go for a quick lap. But as you can see here, I mean, these trails are specifically labeled, but there's a lot of trailways through Burnaby Mountain here. So it's really easy once you start to get to know the trails to cut. If you're like, okay, well, I have a little bit more time than a 5K, but not as much as a 10K. I want to do something 7. You could add on a little bit of a loop or something, and the more that you're in the trails here, you'll get to know them a little bit more. Okay, the last one is Burnaby Lake Park Trail. So you're going to need to jump in the car for this one. So again, property is up here. We're gonna have to jump and head down south here. The reason why I really like this one, it's a 10K loop. It's very easy, flat. That's the nice thing about running around a lake, is it's very flat, but you get gorgeous views. There's just something about being in nature by water that I find is really therapeutic. So this is one that I really like as well. 10K is a good distance. Running, it's probably going to take you, maybe if you're you're a good 10K runner, like 50 minutes, or maybe if you're like me and you like a casual, enjoy the scenery, maybe closer to an hour and 15 there. Or if you're taking the dog, it just really depends there. You can always do an out and back if you're short on time, but it's really pretty, especially in the evening. You get some of the sunset views as well. So those are some of the trails that you really have right at your front doorstep at this property. And that's one of the things that I love about this location, is you are really in the heart of nature and you've got mountain bike hiking trails right out your front door. If you're thinking about making a move to North Burnaby or any area in the greater Vancouver area, I would love to have the conversation. All my info is in the description box below, so please reach out and I would love to have the conversation. I hope you got value from this video and have fallen in love with North Burnaby just like I have. And until next time, Burnaby Mountain Golf Course is right over there, and I did pack my clubs, so I'm gonna go for a round.